Good morning all, we're doing another update. It's the 22nd of November and it is 18 minutes past 10 GMT. Let's look at Brent Oil on the daily chart. Yesterday we were anticipating a bounce at the 786, and you can see that if you look at this daily candle, we got a nice bullish candlestick formation with a nice long wick where price tested the A low. We are still bullish on this pair. We'll remain bullish on this time frame, I should say, until the A low at 82.44 gets taken out on a sustained basis. So for now, we are bullish. We're looking for a break of the B high to confirm the inverse head and shoulders and start the uptrend. If we do break the A low, then we have resumption of downtrend. This will then become our new A high, and this will be our new B low. But for now, we've got a nice bullish candlestick formation. And if I go down to the 4-hour chart, this is the bullish candlestick formation on the daily. The 4-hour chart, however, is in a downtrend. So there's our A high and there's our B low. What we could expect today is price to actually test this bullish candlestick formation here. I can make it a bit bigger. We can expect price to test this bullish candlestick formation over the next session or two, and then rally up. If price continues falling down and it takes out this B low, then this area here will become our new A high. But for now, we're most likely looking at a test. Okay. The 1-hour chart, I've got some housekeeping to do here. Let me remove this. Yesterday, we were just pointing out possible scenario for a reversal. But as you can see, price carried on down. So, because price carried on down, we just got to do some housekeeping here. So, this here becomes our new A high. Okay. And this here becomes our B low. In fact, if I draw the fibs on the previous AB swing, you'll see there's the AB. You can see price actually rallied right to the extension, the 1618 extension, which completes the ABCD. Don't worry about if you guys don't understand it. In time, I'm going to be doing the course free online. Going to be offering it absolutely free to those that have subscribed to the channel. So subscribe to the channel and click on the bell notification so that you can get my notifications every day whenever I have the analysis. So we'll be going through the full course where I'll teach you all the ABCDs, the Fibonacci's, the candlestick formations, supports and resistances, how I label the chart, all of those things we will be going through. So now what we've actually got going here, you can see that in the interim, there's the AI. It was violated earlier in the trade this morning. So we've actually got the beginning of a reversal on this time frame. So we've now got the A at the bottom. It was a B before, that's why I just leave it there. It's now the A. And we got a B that we are looking to form here. And if I pull my fibs here, then we're looking for price to fall down to lower levels for us to lower levels of interest, which actually coincides with the test that I was mentioning on the 4-hour chart. Okay, so that's what we're looking for there. That's the 1-hour chart. Let's go over to crude oil. Crude oil 4-hour chart. Again, let me just crunch this up a little. You will see that is our AB swing there. There's our A and there's our B. You'll see we had failure. Price came right back down to test the A low. Gave us a nice bullish candlestick formation. Okay, here as well, I'm looking for a test of this bullish candlestick formation. So I'm looking for price to fall down a little. And then I'm looking for price to rally up. Price often tests candlestick formation. So we can climb in on a test of sorts there. The 1-hour chart, let's update this chart as well quickly. That's our last AB swing. That's finished there. So if I were to label this chart, this here would be the new A high. here will be the B low at the bottom here. That's the B low at the bottom there. And if I draw my fibs, in fact I don't even have to draw my fibs, you can clearly see, I draw a horizontal line, that the A was violated. So this is the start of a reversal process that we've got going here. So I need to edit this, and this then becomes the new A low. And this here becomes the new B high. Okay, I can remove that horizontal line there. And once again, I can draw my fibs. I don't quite have a B high yet. This is not quite the B. I'm actually getting ahead of myself. I don't even have a nice swing high yet. But for the sake of this example, let's assume that it is. No, let me not do that. Let me remove this. I'm still waiting for, let me take all of this out. We've got an A low, we've got violation of the last resistance swing high there. So what we're looking for is a bit of a pullback, and then we can draw our B high in there. So for now, by the close of this candle, 2 candles to the right, we should have a B high in place. But as of the time of the recording, we don't. If we do get that B high, guys, and price pulls back, then we will look for an entry down at the 618 or the 786 fib area. You can then even go down to the 5-minute chart. There's no point in going down to it now because we're not in that area of interest. Then the euro. The euro, we're still in the inverse head and shoulders situation that we find ourselves in, with this being the new A low and that being the new B high. Remember, we said we were looking for price to fall down to lower levels. Yesterday we said we're looking for price to fall down to lower levels where we'll be looking for the right shoulder. Okay, this is on the daily chart. So we've got a nice inverse head and shoulders on the daily chart, which obviously takes a while to form. If I look at the 4-hour chart, you will see that it is the same swing on the daily chart. Okay, so once again we're looking for levels down here at the 618 area, 786, where we're looking for long trade setups. The hour chart, this is where we trade. You will see yesterday's marking, we were still waiting for a B low to form. We can actually take that question mark out because now we've actually got a B low that has formed. Okay, so this will be our, I don't know what happened to the labeling there. This is our A high. That's our A high. And remember, I mentioned that if we violate this A low here, okay, then we're looking at the reversal, and you can see there's our left shoulder, there's our head, and their price violated yesterday, took out that A support low. So we're not making higher highs and higher lows anymore. We've now broken that pattern, and remove this for now. And if I draw my fibs, let me take this fib out there. I draw my fibs in here from the A high to the B low. We're looking for price to pull back somewhat. Looking for price to pull back one of these fib areas, 618 or the 786. Okay, we'll then be looking for short trades. And look at how that lines up with the daily, where we're also looking for price to fall down. So price needs to reverse on the smaller time frames first, before we get the direction of the higher time frames that we are looking at. So that is the euro. Let's take a squeeze at Bitcoin. The weekly is not going to change anything to what we looked at yesterday, except just to reiterate that we sort of got a head and shoulders pattern here on the weekly chart. You can see there, head and shoulders. So we're looking for price to rally up at some point before we go down. So let's go down to the 4-hour chart. So the 4-hour chart, we're still sideways. You can see that. There's our last AB swing. Let me go to the previous one. Scrunch this up a little. You will see that there was our last A high, B low, downtrend. Okay, price came up and tested just shy of the 786 in between the 618 and the 786, and then dropped off. In fact, look at how beautiful this actually dropped off. It dropped off right to the 1618 area. Fibonacci's are amazing. They are leading indicators, and we will learn all about them in time. So coming back to the current AB swing, you can see we went just past the 382. If price drops below this level here, this B low level here, on a sustained basis, then this becomes our most recent A high. While we're inside this B low, we are looking for price to retrace, and if price does retrace, we can look for resistance at 18,500. That is the 50 level. That will be our first resistance area, and that is on the 4-hour chart. If we then go to the 1-hour chart, we have a 1-hour chart here. Remember now the area was 15,546, right? So it's somewhere around here. So if we do get something bullish and we maybe take out this last resistance high here at 59.20, then we could most likely expect price to actually carry on up and actually rally towards that 5-hour level at 18,500 over the next couple of sessions. So that's what I see for these pairs over the next day or so. Trading session for the New York session. We are a few hours into the UK session, and then we'll be back earlier tomorrow morning with an update for the 23rd. Okay, so if you guys haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe and then click on the bell notification, because I'll be doing updates on a daily basis. And over the next while, depending on how the subscription and stuff goes and the numbers pick up, we'll be doing the course online free of charge for everyone to learn. That will probably be split over a good few lessons. Okay, thanks traders, enjoy your trading day, and we'll chat tomorrow. Bye bye.